Hello friends, this is Disha Mehta, legal intern at Lexis and Company and a law student at Gujarat University. Today we are going to talk about the doctrine of ultra-vires. Now what it is all about. The object clause of Memorandum of Association provides the objectives of the company for according to which the company needs to work. But beyond that they cannot work, as any work beyond the given authority or the given objectives mentioned in the Memorandum of Association is called as ultra vires. And the ultra vires work are legally not binding and they are straight away cancelled. But the company are supposed to be in their limit. But if they work and if all the shareholders agree to do the same, then also they cannot make this work legally binding. But if there is no fault of the company and if any person or any officer who is working beyond his or her authority is there, then it will be on his own responsibility and the company will not be liable for the same. It is believed that every person who is working in the company and who is working with the company have read thoroughly the Memorandum of Association and Article of Association, and they already know what all is written in it, and therefore there is no unnecessary arguments about not knowing what was legal and what was illegal. Thus it is believed that it has already been in information and they have done it purposefully. The case of Attorney General versus London County Council says that it was entrusted on the county to run the trams, but instead of running trams, they started deploying buses. The court applied the doctrine of ultra vires in the same case, as they said that there was beyond the objectives, beyond the authority of the London County Council to run or to deploy the buses for this thing. Now, why is there a limit or the authority to the company? Because there are two reasons for the same. The money of creditors and the money of investors are in the same. The investors are allowed to know that where their money is being invested in, and thus the company is liable to be in the limit or the authority which has been provided by them, the object which has been mentioned by them. And the creditors are also allowed, and it is their right to know that where their money is being invested is legal or not, it is authorizable or not. So it is very important for the company to be in this limit which is provided by the object clause of the Memorandum of Association. Now there are certain exceptions to this doctrine of ultra vires, which are if there is any work done by the director which is beyond his authority, then the stakeholders or the shareholders can approve the same. If there is work done beyond the authority of the company or beyond the authority which is provided by them from the articles of association, then they can make necessary changes to the article of association and the work will be considered as binding. If the director has acted beyond his authority and given some money to any other institution, then the company shall take this in their hands and can start the procedure to get the money back. If director has acted beyond his authority and purchased certain assets, then company can take care of the same assets. Thank you.